Namaste children, I hope all of you are fine. In previous day in online class I taught you the third lesson, that is invisible clause. All I explained that what is invisible clause. I hope all of you understood. Now I'll read out the lesson and glossaries and anatomies. You also read with along with me with keep your pencil where I am reading. Okay. I hope all of you understood. Shall I start? Okay children. Which of the following personalities from the royal court are known for his sense of humor? Tenzin, Birbal, Akbar. The answer will be Birbal. Word hunt. Find as many words you can in the story that have OU in them. Means while reading OU containing words you have to find out and underline. For example, see here children, COURT quote, it contains OU, so I underlined it. You also while reading find out such words and underline it. Okay. Tenali Raman was a jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya. A jester was a person who made the king and his ministers laugh by his funny words and actions. Tenali Raman was very intelligent. He could solve any problem. The king therefore was fond of him. Here you can see the court of Krishna Devaraya along with Tenali Rama and other ministers. Okay children. Glossary. Jester means a professional joker at the king's court. Anatomy. Funny opposite word sad. Here inside textbook question. Tenali Rama was in the court of which king? While reading you have to find out the answer children. Okay, turn your page now. Now see children. One day a beautiful lady came to the court and showed the king a lovely sari made of the finest material. She said that she had a group of weavers who could create a fabric so fine that it will not be visible to the eye. Here you can see the beautiful lady came to the court and showing the sari, and king was looking at that beautiful sari. Okay. Here the king was curious and gave her a year to weave him a complete set of clothes. As the king waited for his special clothes, the lady and her friends in the meanwhile spent all their time enjoying the many gifts given to them by the king. What was special about that finest fabric? At the end of 1 year, the king with the Tenali Raman and other ministers visited the lady. The lady pretended to lift a set of clothes and open them out to show the king. The king was confused. He could not see anything at all. Here you can see after 1 year when Krishna Devara visited lady, the lady was showing empty hanger without clothes and but also telling the king that the cloth is present on that hanger and it is very beautiful. All this is watching by who? Tenali Rama. The lady said, "O great king, as good soul, you must surely be able to see these beautiful clothes. It is only those who have not sinned in this life or the previous one who can see the material." The king was surprised and did not know how to react. Tenali Raman, who was watching all this, understood the king's problem. He told the lady, "You must indeed be a blessed person to be able to make such extraordinary clothes. However, ordinary people like us cannot see them unless they are worn by somebody. I am sure." Anatomies: finest, coarsest, special, ordinary, confused, certain. Glossary: fabric, cloth produced by weaving or knitting fiber. Curious, eager to find out something, pretended to fake something, usually behavior. Understood? Here, see when Tenali Rama was asking her to wear a cloth, the king also seeing her angrily. You can see in this picture. Now turn. Now see. The king will want you to wear them so that all of us can admire the beautiful creation. The lady realized that Tenali Raman had not been fooled by her trick, she decided to plead with the king for forgiveness. Who caught the lady's trick? You may know after reading the lesson. Glossary: trick, a cunning act. Plead, request. Anatomy: beautiful. Opposite word: ugly. I hope children all of you understood. Okay, here see. Let's look it up. Arrange the following words in the alphabet order. Look up the meaning in the dictionary and write them in your notebook. See, admire, quote, soul, find, one, full, wave. According to the alphabet, you have to rearrange the words and find out the meaning from the dictionary and write in your English homework book, children. Now I'll send you the exercise work. Okay, you have to write that exercise work in your classwork and homework neatly and read this lesson 3 times thoroughly. I hope all of you understood. Take care. Thank you.